Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your campaigns with ClickBank, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively manage your campaigns with ClickBank, start by creating your ClickBank account. Visit the ClickBank website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information including your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, log in to the ClickBank dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Next, navigate to the Marketplace section. In the Marketplace, you can browse various products to promote. Use the search bar to find products relevant to your niche. Once you identify a product, click on the Promote button next to it. Enter your ClickBank account nickname to generate a unique affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link for later use in your promotions. Now, let's discuss creating effective promotional materials. Decide which marketing strategy you will use, whether it's social media, email marketing, or paid ads. For social media, create engaging posts that describe the product benefits. Make sure to include your affiliate link in your posts. If using email marketing, draft a compelling email that includes your affiliate link. Focus on building trust with your audience in your messaging. Next, track the performance of your campaigns. Go back to your ClickBank dashboard and click on the reporting section. Here, you can view key metrics such as clicks, sales, and refunds. Analyze this data to determine which products and strategies are performing well. Based on the analysis, optimize your campaigns by focusing on high-converting products. Consider experimenting with different ad creatives or outreach methods. Continuously monitor your campaigns for potential adjustments. Make sure to adhere to ClickBank's policies throughout your marketing efforts. Stay informed about any updates from ClickBank to maximize your success. With these steps, you can effectively manage and scale your ClickBank campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.